last 20 yard of the day. Doesn't look too bad. We're gonna hook this up real quick, and I want a picture. So all right. Yep, manual tarp. If I can get, no, I can't. Yeah, so these broke off recently. Gotta get some time and weld it. Know what I mean? So, actually, we need a picture. Like that. There's a refrigerator in there. So that's $25. Alright, so this is a Evolution dumpster. Great dumpsters. The only bad thing about these ones, there's nowhere to hook anything. So, could I have gotten them to put something? Yeah, I could have. I wasn't thinking, I thought they would come with something, but they don't. I would assume he wants that in there, so we'll help him out. All right, so that's that. Yeah, I go to Home Depot tonight and get some brackets. Maybe I'll do that. Because this is a pain. and tear up the grass. So. And that's it. Golden. Some ants. We're done. Little picture. People are so impatient. Alright. Done and done. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. What we did today was, what did I do? I dropped off one 15-yard super early in the morning, and then dropped off a 20-yard around lunchtime, picked up a 20-yard, and then picked up this 20-yard. So, and that's pretty much it. So, and this is downtown Newport Richey. Old city, cool, used to be really cool. I don't care for it anymore. I won't come down here. It's gonna be freaking crazies. So I don't care to hang out down here. Plus I'm not a bar scene kind of dude no more. I don't really care. I'd rather be on my boat or something, you know. Alright guys, like, subscribe to the channel.